What if I told you the product you bought because it went viral is the same reason your skin is still suffering from breakouts, from acne, from dryness? Let me tell you something. There's a war. Okay, maybe that's an exaggeration. There's a subtle war that's going on the internet between dermatologists and aestheticians versus skincare influencers, you guys. It is so interesting, especially if you watch skincare TikTok. While there is a particular set that wants your skin to be healed, they are generally concerned about the overall health of your skin. The other group just wants you to spend your money so that they can also be paid, i.e., they just want you for clicks. But don't worry, I'm a bearer of good news. So before you spend the next kobo on buying your skincare, you need to stay with me and watch this video to the end, because in this video we are breaking down the advice you should follow and the ones that you should throw into the bin. Let's get right into it. Hello everybody. Hello people of my internet. How are you guys doing? If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Damilola, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking by. Guys, that my intro is no exaggeration, it's not a lie. First of all, I just want to put it out there that have you guys noticed that social media, especially Instagram, rewards aesthetics more than facts, more than science? And to be honest, talking about this now, I don't really blame them, because if you are being paid, if you are getting paid to do something, you want to speak well of it, maybe exaggerate it more than what it does. And I don't know. But like I always say, guys, I don't think there is any product. I don't think there is a single product that will solve all your skincare problems. I don't think so. It's usually bits and bits, combination of products. Every time you open TikTok skincare or Instagram skincare, you see your favorite influencers talking about how products have, giving them glass skin, how is the best thing after whatever. They'll be talking about how it is the use of 7 serums, how you need to have 15 to 20 step skincare routine, how you need to do this, how you need to do that. But what they are not telling you is that they have monthly treatments, they have procedures that they do to achieve the glass skin. Guys, the use of 7 serums, blah, 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 is not the only thing that's giving them all of those things. But when you see aestheticians and dermatologists, they will tell you all of this. In fact, I've even seen some that will tell you that if you've used products, if you've tried to do these things on your own, and these things are not working, then just like I always say too, then I think it's time to seek professional help. And by professional help, I mean consulting dermatologists or even aestheticians. Those are the people that will help you. I personally believe that there are some skincare problems that ordinary skincare products cannot solve. There are some skincare concerns that you need to undergo treatments, maybe microneedling, maybe chemical peels, maybe whatever. Okay, it's not just collagen that will shrink the influencers will tell you need up to 10, 15 steps routines. Meanwhile, your dermatologist and your estheticians will tell you that you do not need more than 3 steps. As far as you are cleansing your skin, you have a treatment that is, targeting whatever your skin concern is, and you are protecting your skin. Those are the 3 main things that you need to do. On the other hand, you have somebody that is telling you that you need to triple cleanse your skin or even double cleanse. Double cleansing is not bad, but yeah, but to be honest, you know that you don't have to do it every time if there is no need for it. They tell you to layer up to 3 toners. They tell you to use up to 3 serums. Then, okay, let's take for an example. In a routine where you have products like niacinamide, you have vitamin C, you have retinol, you have glycolic acid, you have azelaic acid, you have a lot. Let me tell you something. 2 things will happen. If you are lucky, yeah, the product will cancel out each other, everything will be rendered totally useless and nothing will work. Or if you're unfortunate, if you're not lucky, the products will react, your skin barrier will be damaged, or even worse, the problem that you have, your skin concern, will be worsened. I'm not saying that you should not follow what influencers are saying, because why am I here? What am I also doing here? But this video is supposed to help you to make informed decisions before you do certain things. You have to be sure that what you are putting your money on, or what you are putting on your skin, is the right thing. You are doing the right thing, because at the end of the day, that is the most important thing. In other words, you will know the basic things, so that just in case somebody is trying to sell lies to you, if somebody is trying to bobo, you'll be able to sight them from miles away, and you You run. Okay. Another thing I want to talk about is this obsession with over exfoliating your skins. Guys, it really hurts me. It really breaks my heart when I see influencers talking about how you need to wash your face with all these hard scrubs, these harsh scrubs, how it will improve your texture, how it will improve your dark spots, how it will do this, do that. And guys, to be honest, the funny thing is immediately you do it, you will see your skin will feel so soft and so smooth. But what happens days later? What happens after the product starts to react and then your skin barrier is damaged? You will see people in the same routine, they will tell you to use face what's this one, mask. In the same routine you are using scrub. In the same routine you are using guys, I'm not exaggerating these things. If I see some videos, I'll put it there. Those videos will be playing so that you know that I'm not just making these things up. Peeling acids are made for a reason. In fact, on most of the products, they will give you clear instructions on how to use them. But somebody will tell you to use peeling acids up to 3 to 4 times in a week. They don't mean well for you, just so you know. And all those physical scrubs, the ones that are meant for the body, they tell you to put it on your face. Just know that as they are doing that, your skin is tearing small, small. You might not see it, but that's what is happening. They are meant for the body for a reason. And that is why anytime I see scrubs that have particles in them and they state for face and body, just be like me, pick grapes too. Meanwhile, your dermatologist and your aestheticians will tell you that you should be gentle with your skin. You do not need to scrub your face or even any part of your body as if you are scrubbing gutter. Be gentle. And that is why they tell you to use AHAs and BHAs because those ones are more gentle on the skin as opposed to physical scrubs. AHAs and BHAs like salicylic acid, mandelic acid, glycolic acid, these things, they tell you how to use them and they will even advise you to allow yourself to ease into it. For example, when you want to start out, start with lower percentages and don't use it every day. At least allow your skin to build tolerance, and with time, even you will know, as soon as your skin is accustomed to it, then you will know how to use it, when to use it and when not to use it. The ones that I don't like to say at all, I have personal this thing with them, are the skincare influencers that tell you that natural products, DIY products are, if I catch any one of you, it's going to be on site. Because what do you mean? Why are you telling people to mix baking soda and lemon on their skin? Let me tell you, if you do that, you are, apart from your skin barrier, you will also, it's just like you're inviting problem to yourself. You will use lemon or raw lemon, you scrub it on your face, you go inside the sun. It's not only your skin barrier that will be damaged, they also bring in hyperpigmentation on your skin because that is what will happen. Is what will happen. Guys, I can talk about these things like this because they are things that I have done. So, oh God, raw turmeric. I don't even like talking about them. But listen, the products are made, they are dermatologically tested, they are approved by boards. They go through all of this process for a reason. And it is to make sure that it serves you very well and you're doing the right thing for your skin. Don't ever choose DIY or natural products, skincare. You can do something else. So you can do DIY hair, you can do DIY make, you can do DIY anything. But when it comes to skincare, please don't do it. Most times we feel like it's just skincare, it's just skincare. These things actually sink into our skin, you guys. And it's the truth. I'm not going to say more than that. Now that I have said all of these things, I know you are wondering so how then do we draw the line? How do we spot the lies? What do we do now that you have said all of these things? Like I said, I'm a bearer of good news. Listen, guys, when you see things like ad, sponsorships, paid kinikon, be careful, be careful. Even on there are some aestheticians now, some dermatologists that are paid to advertise these things. Guys, it's not bad because, like I said, it's also the reason why I'm here. At some point, I also hope to be paid to talk about products, okay? But you need to be careful to protect yourself. It is not enough that somebody has told you that this product does this product does that, and you take it hook, line, and sinker. Is not the best. Make sure that the person that is using it and recommending it to you at least has your skin type. That's the most important thing. And guys, be careful because I don't know, maybe we forgot it, but there's something like filter. There's something like editing. There's something like so because before somebody sells glass skin to you, in fact, doing other advanced skincare treatments, undergoing procedures is not even a big deal to me. It's not a big deal. My own is just that if somebody is doing that, don't let them tell you that it is serum. or toner that is giving them the glass skin, be sure. Like I was saying before I digressed, remember there's something we call filter, remember there's something we call lighting. And guys, it is very, very okay to have textured skin. Can you improve the appearance? Yes. Is it okay to not want it and want glass skin? Yes. But at the same time, make sure you are doing it safely. Don't let anybody that is doing monthly laser treatment, microneedling, chemical pills, yada yada yada, tell you that is one 15K or 10K serum that will give you glass skin. Please be careful. I will not say more than that. I want to close this video by saying that your overall skin health doesn't need a very expensive budget to look good. You don't need the most luxury, especially in a place like Lagos, that everything is luxury. In fact, in Nigeria as a whole, when you see luxury, you guys, your skin doesn't need that before you have good skin. In fact, glass skin, even toned skin. What you need is consistency, getting your facts right when it comes to science, knowing the basic things to do, and not just allowing the internet to dictate what to do. Patience, I've already spoken about consistency. Yes, you need to allow your skin to breathe. Give it time. Don't jump from product to product. Don't, guys, if you need to know more about skincare, if you need to know more about what to do, just ask me in the comment section. I am sure that I have spoken about it in a way or the other. Then I can, tag you or send a video to you. And if it's something I have never spoken about, I'll be glad to make such videos. Please drop your comments in the description. Please drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you have questions, if there are other things you want me to talk about. And yes, please subscribe to the what am I? How can I forget? If you are still watching, guys, please subscribe. I'm begging you. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like, give it a fat and juicy thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Please share if you can and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be the first to know anytime I drop videos like this. Bye, guys. Mwah.